Welcome to 164 Elizabeth Crescent, a stunning custom-built home situated on a premium corner property just under half an acre in size within the well-established Blue Grass Meadows neighbourhood of Whitby. Beautifully landscaped front and back, having the convenience of 2 driveway entrances as well as an attached 3.5-car garage, and boasting an absolutely breathtaking backyard oasis, this 2+2 bedroom stone and brick bungalow showcases over 2,600 square feet of main level living space, a fully developed lower level, and superior craftsmanship throughout. The travertine-tiled foyer opens into a spacious reception hall with a walk-in coat and shoe closet, and the hand-scraped exotic Kentucky hardwood flooring seen here is showcased throughout this level. Directly off the foyer is a den with a huge east-facing window that is also well-suited as a home office, and like much of this level, features 9-foot ceilings with pot lighting. Designed with entertaining in mind and showcasing a 14-foot vaulted ceiling, the great room has an exceptional open concept layout with well-defined principal spaces, as well as multiple walkouts onto a raised backyard deck for outdoor entertaining and enjoyment. A gas fireplace surrounded with a floor-to-ceiling stone mantel brings coziness to the relaxing living room. Exquisite crystal chandeliers glow in the kitchen area, while a dining room that exudes contemporary elegance is illuminated by a modern chandelier that accentuates the shimmer of its tone-on-tone papered walls. An exceptional work and gathering space custom designed for efficiency and functionality, the stunning chef-inspired kitchen is an entertainer and home cook's dream. 2 built-in ovens flank a 6-burner gas cooktop, complete with a unique range hood and stainless steel backsplash. A corner prep sink and built-in desk are everyday culinary conveniences, and a large pantry surrounds a French door fridge with bottom-mount freezer. The kitchen is finished with travertine tiles with electric in-floor heating. Under-cabinet lighting illuminates mosaic tiled backsplashes. The counters are finished with stone, and the kitchen also has a double-wide stainless steel sink, 2 dishwashers, and a built-in microwave. With 2 bar fridges, the huge U-shaped island is a fantastic gathering space for family and friends. Finished with a stone counter and having seating on 2 sides, the island is ideal for everyday casual dining, while for entertaining convenience also features an authentic and unique wine barrel bar with a sink and storage. Completing the kitchen is its gorgeous custom cabinetry, which showcases pot drawers, pantry pullouts, glass-paneled accents, niches with lighting, as well as iron accents, while providing outstanding storage and organization. A sliding barn-style door opens to the master suite. A gorgeous personal space showcasing an 11-foot vaulted ceiling with a chandelier, a papered accent wall, a gas fireplace with floor-to-ceiling stone mantel, as well as its own private walkout onto the back deck. Its walk-in closet and dressing room is fully customized with organizers and has a sliding barn-style door, while its ensuite washroom is simply stunning. Featuring upgraded tiles with mosaic accents throughout and having electric in-floor heating, this luxurious spa-like retreat showcases a vanity with stone counter, undermount basins, and chandeliers, a freestanding tub with stacked stone accent walls and a heated towel bar, a walk-in shower with a seat, wall niche, and rainfall and handheld shower heads, as well as the privacy of a water closet with a pocket door entry. with multiple walkouts and stretching across the width of the home, is a no-maintenance AZEK vinyl deck with a premier rail system. Measuring approximately 16 by 6 feet along the master suite and approximately 32 by 12 feet along the great room, the deck is an incredibly spacious outdoor entertaining venue and also a great place to relax after a long day, all while enjoying views of the breathtaking backyard. The foyer has a side hall leading to the home's north wing, and off this hall is a well-appointed laundry room with travertine flooring, access to the garage, cabinetry and closet storage, quartz counters and glass-tiled backsplashes, as well as a front-load washer and dryer. There is also a storage room off this hall, which ends at both a spacious bedroom with a walk-in closet and a 5-piece washroom with upgraded tiled finishes and mosaic accents throughout, in-floor electric heating, as well as a vanity with stone counter and undermount basins. The heated garage is spray foam insulated, has an epoxy floor and loft storage, while other important features of this home include a heat recovery ventilation system, underground conduit for cable and hydro, a full weeping tile system inside and out, a stormwater catch basin connected directly to the street storm sewer system, 200 amp service, as well as a block wall basement that is spray foam insulated. A hardwood staircase and railing with wrought iron pickets and surrounded with wood and stacked stone walls leads to this fully finished level, which features 8-foot ceilings, hot lighting, and German laminate click flooring with in-floor heating throughout. Both bedrooms on this level have oversized basement windows, coffered ceilings, as well as walk-in closets with organizers. And at the end of one of 2 side hallways is a large workshop and mechanical room that has a stacked front-load washer and dryer, a laundry sink, and a gas boiler system that powers the in-floor heating throughout this level. The walk-through washroom has pocket door entries from both hallways and also showcases marble flooring with in-floor heating, a floating vanity with mosaic backsplash and matching floating toiletry cabinets, upgraded wall tiles and a heated towel bar, a walk-in shower with rainfall and handheld shower heads, and the privacy of a water closet with a pocket door. This level has great storage, including 2 walk-in linen closets, a walk-in storage closet, and a large storage room. And also features a very spacious bonus room with 2 separate French door entries that can be a fitness and yoga studio, a games area, or whatever else may suit family needs. And the huge open concept recreation area itself, as 2 separate walkouts to the backyard, offers incredible entertaining and family space, and even has plenty of space for the addition of a second kitchen. Cottage vacations will be a thing of the past with this home's sensational backyard resort. Under the main level deck is a waterproofed covered patio with wood-paneled ceiling and exterior pot lighting, and beyond the stone pillars is a yard extensively landscaped with interlocking, perennial gardens and armor stones, and which also has south and west-facing exposures, wrought iron fencing and mature trees surrounding the property, as well as multi-level entertaining niches. The custom 16 by 32 foot saltwater in-ground pool has a 12-foot half-moon stair entry, a 6-foot sun ledge, and dual-color changeable lighting, as well as having an elephant cover, a cleaning robot, and an efficient electric heat pump. And there is a rough-in for a gas pump if preferred. With a unique design and constructed of rough-cut pine, the custom pergola is a fantastic outdoor entertaining and relaxation space with a designated hammock area. Its patio area has an 11-foot anchored sunbrella with summer and winter covers, while the brand new dry outdoor kitchen showcases a weathered granite counter, a gas barbecue, a slow cooker, and a fridge. The yards have an in-ground sprinkler system to maintain their lushness and color, and the eaves troughs for both the pool shed and the home have leaf protection systems as well, while the shed additionally features 100 amp service, outdoor lighting, and an interior epoxy floor. Situated in a mature neighbourhood close to highly rated schools, minutes to essential amenities, and a short drive to the GO station and for access to highways 401 and the 407, 164 Elizabeth Crescent is a turnkey property ready for you to call home.